how to send a picture as a snap in Snapchat. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and that bell notification on for more tutorials like this. So we are going to go to our Snapchat, and if you want to send pictures without filter, just follow these steps and you will get what you are looking for. So what we would do next is go to our camera roll, and we're going to select our photo. So once we have selected our photo, just click on the drop down arrow and you will click on the scissors button and click on draw, and what you would do is draw all over the picture. So we have to make sure that all of the spaces or of the surface of the picture has been drawn. So what you would do next is just click on done. So you have created a sticker from this photo. So you can export this as a photo or download, or you can also save it as a sticker. Just click on save as a copy. So moving on to the next step. So we have to take a snap or picture, and then what we would do is add a sticker. So you would go to the scissors icon and you would see here we have created an icon or a sticker. Just enlarge the sticker for it to fit the whole screen. So that's it. That's how you can send a snap from Snapchat to your friends without filter. So what you would do next is just select to whom do you want to send it. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and see you on the next video.